Hi, it's Kelly, the MopTop girl with MopTop Junk-Free Hair Care. Today we're talking about buildup and detox. And there are so many sources that can cause buildup. It can be the products that you're using, it can be water, it can be copper, it can be chlorine, and it can even be just our environment, where we live. And buildup can result in many different issues, specifically hair loss and product performance. Frankly, we feel that if we add more product, it'll work better. And if you keep adding more product, your hair is just overwhelmed with too much product and it will not perform. Everyone just needs to get to a clean slate from time to time. Our recommendation is once every 4 to 6 weeks. And what I did, that's why I came up with the Detox shampoo. I have it in a 2 ounce and I have it in an 8 ounce. No matter what detox shampoo you're using, make sure I like this spout, because then I can get the detox shampoo exactly where I want it. And it just works. It removes everything. I highly recommend you do it before you color your hair, because black, dark brown, and red hair colors tend to be the ones that slip the fastest. So detox your hair first, then color it. I hope this answers your questions. Remember, a healthy scalp is healthy hair. Detox the buildup.